Hi everyone, I'm Marina from English for Nations. This channel is dedicated to teach you English in a fun and a simple way. So if you have struggled to speak English in the past, this channel is for you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see all what's new. Today we're going to look at the possessive adjectives. What are they? My, I use it to talk about something that belongs to me. Your, I use it to talk about something that belongs to you. His, I talk about something that belongs to a boy. Her, I talk about something that belongs to a girl. Its, I talk about something that belongs to an object. Our, I talk about something that belongs to me and you. Their, when I talk about something that belongs to many people or many things. Let's look at some examples. It's my monkey. It's my monkey. It's your fish. It's your fish. It's his car. It's his car. It's her dog. It's her dog. It's their bird. It's their bird. They are our dresses. They are our dresses. They're your books. They're your books. This is its food. This is its food. Now it's time for practice. Complete using my, your, his, her, its, our, or their. Number 1, it's complete. Cat. Something belongs to me. Correct, it's my cat. Number 2, it's complete. Book. Something belongs to a boy. Correct, it's his book. Number 3, their complete pens. Something belongs to many people. Correct, their pens. Number 4, it's complete rabbit. Something belongs to a girl. Well done. It's her rabbit. Number 5, it's complete doctor. Something belongs to you. Well done. It's your doctor. 6, their complete toys. Something belongs to an object. Yes, they're its toys. 7, it's complete ball. Something belongs to a boy. Great, it's his ball. Number 8, their complete hats. Something belongs to you. Correct, they're your hats. Now you need to describe each picture using my, your, his, her, its, our, or their. Number 1, great, they're my shoes. Number 2, Well done, it's her laptop. Number 3. Great, it's their basket. 4. Yes, it's your desk. 5. Correct, it's my toy. 6. Yes, it's our hospital. 7. Correct, it's his books. 8. Well done, it's their house. 9. Yes, it's your cat. Now you need to unscramble these sentences. 1. Your is he, brother. Correct, he's your brother. Number 2. Is it table, our. Yes, it's our table. 3. Is it cups, there. Correct, it's their cups. 4. Her, it, eraser, is. Yes, it's her eraser. 5. My, is, it, room. Well done, it's my room. 6. Your, is, it, pencil. Yep, it's your pencil. 7. Is, our, it, class. Correct, it's our class. 8. There, it, doctor, is. Good, it's their doctor. And now I'm going to leave you with a short video. Oof, great, our clothes are dry now. Where's my new blouse? What color is it? It's white. Here is a light blue blouse. Is it yours? No, it's not mine. Wait, it's my blouse. It's a disaster. Oh no, all our clothes are light blue now. Here is the problem. It's these new blue jeans. Are they your jeans? Yes, they're my jeans. I'm so sorry. That's all from me today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit the notification bell to see all what's new. See you next time.